Howdy folks, we're going to do a little video on an old gun my dad has. This is a Winchester model 77-22 long rifle. All it says is long rifle, doesn't say to use shorts or anything, but kind of a different style of gun. Charging handle is on the left side here. It's supposed to have a little pin here that you can push down and lock the bolt back, but that fell out. Safety is right here. It's forward, it's on fire, back, it's on safe. Your magazine release is in the trigger guard, which is plastic. This gun was only made, as I recall, from I think 1955 to 63, so it's a pre-64 for sure. These are fairly inexpensive when I looked them up online. Most of them are going for like 300, somewhere in there, 350, 250. I guess some of them had tube-fed magazines. This one's got a 7-shot clip, or magazine, I should say. We had 2 of these, but the other one, the bottom fell off and the spring went flying and never found it back. I looked these up online and these are like 60 bucks. So if you see one of these at a gun show or something, I'm not saying don't buy one, but just be aware if you want extra magazines for it, they're kind of hard to find and kind of expensive. But holds 7 shots, plus 1 in the chamber, obviously. Let's just quit talking and shoot it, see if it functions. Gotta put the safety on off first, I guess. It's got a really loud action to it. You can hear every time that slide's coming back. I wish I had a couple more magazines for it just so I wouldn't have to keep reloading a magazine every time, but I don't, and I'm not spending $60 for a magazine and a gun that, I don't have any need for another magazine. It would just be more fun. But yeah, if you find one and want to get one, or if you already have one, take it out and shoot it. It's a really fun gun to shoot. The way the action sounds and works and everything, it's just plain fun. Real easy to operate. Relatively easy to clean for a semi-automatic too. You just got these 2 screws, take that out and you can access pretty much everything. This thing might actually hold 8 rounds. Everything online said 7, but I feel like I've gotten 8 in this before. Let's count them. It's 5, 6, 7. Yeah, I can fit 8 in there, no problem. In case I didn't mention it, I'm shooting Federal Auto Match. Oh. If you can see that or not, light primer strike. Let's try it again, see if it works. I wish I had that bolt hold open pin still. I've tried finding them on eBay and Noomrich. I even ordered something off of Noomrich, but it was the wrong part. It did not fit this gun at all. You can stick a nail in there and make it work, and then to release it, just pull it back and it'll release. But I didn't bring a little pin nail with me today. I clean this thing really good, but they get dirty fast, and when they get dirty, they usually don't operate as smooth as you'd like them to, but sure are a lot of fun to shoot. I'm not much of a semi-automatic guy. I prefer lever guns, but I mean, I shoot my Marlin Model 60s once in a while, but I got to take this gun out and every now and then and put some bullets through it, because it's just plain fun. I wish they still made them. In my opinion, it's one of the coolest looking and funnest 22s to shoot. Yeah, another light primer strike. Something you gotta deal with an old gun, I guess. I'll load it up and shoot it one more time and let you go. It is grooved on the top of the receiver for a scope. Sometime I'm gonna probably put a scope on it and take it squirrel hunting. Never shot a squirrel with this gun. My dad killed many a squirrel with it. His dad, my grandpa, actually gave it to him. It was originally, my dad's uncle bought it brand new. I have no idea what he paid for it. That'd be kind of interesting. But my grandpa bought it from him and then gave it to my dad so he'd have a 22. He wanted to give both of my uncle and my dad 22s. I wish my uncle lived closer, because he's got a really cool Remington pump that I don't even know what year it is, but it's old and it's pretty cool. I did shoot a squirrel with that one time, but he lives too far away to borrow it now. Other than a couple light primer strikes, she's running good. Thanks for watching.